Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ambassador Paul Jones, the newly arrived Chargé d'Affaires at the United States Mission to Pakistan. I'm delighted to be back in Pakistan. I've been a diplomat for over 30 years, serving as U.S. Ambassador to Malaysia, Deputy Special Representative for Afghanistan and Pakistan, when I had the pleasure to travel across Pakistan, and U.S. Ambassador to Poland. I'm deeply honored now to lead a determined effort to strengthen ties between our governments, businesses, and peoples based on enduring values of mutual respect, freedom, and democracy. My wife, Catherine, who will join me soon, and I are excited to learn more about your rich culture and traditions as we meet and renew friendships with Pakistan's wonderful people. I'm interested in the dreams and aspirations you have for the future and how the relationship between our countries can help achieve them. I look forward to exploring more of your beautiful country and hope to see many of you along the way. Huda Hafiz.